started with our balloon races. This project doesn't require much. Of course you need balloons. You're going to need some long string, some straws, and some tape. To get started, you're going to want to feed your string through the straw. Once you have the straw on the string, you're going to want to tie that string to your starting line. Then take the other end of your string and tie it to your finish line. A nice long race is a lot more fun, so the longer the better. Now, you're going to want to blow up your balloon, but don't tie it in a knot. Just hold the end closed, keeping the air inside. Now you're going to want to tape your balloon to the straw. Pull that balloon back to the starting line, and when you let go, your balloon will race down the string to the finish line. You can set up multiple strings to have a race with your friends. Have fun with your race, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and exciting projects with the Super Science Squad. See you next time.